Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. I saw this influencer with this cute pair of wire earrings on, and I said, well, I can do that. So I'm going to do it. Take your wire and start by cutting two 18-inch long pieces of wire. Go down 6 inches on your wire and place your round those cutters, and make a loop. Start on the shortest end and start to curl your wire into a spiral, just around and around and around and around. Stop curling at approximately 1 inch from your loop. Then curl the long side and stop approximately 1 inch from your smaller curl. Now you're going to curl the other side in the opposite direction from the direction that you curled your short loop. That's very important. Now use your steel block and your hammer and hammer your earrings. I like to use the ball peen end to give them that indented look, but that is personal preference. After you hammer them, then you take your plastic blocks if you have them, and I like to just put them between the blocks because that keeps them straight. The wire tends to bend if you don't put them between the blocks to straighten them. When hammering, don't hammer any of the wire that crosses each other because that will weaken it. We're almost done. I love these Penta clasp ear hooks because they are so easy and I don't have to use jump rings with them. You just open them up and make sure that you have your earring facing the front and insert the loop into the ear hook and close it. There's a link to my Amazon store, so check out my Amazon store for the jewelry supplies that I use in my various projects. Don't forget our Tuesday live subscriber chat. Come on in and show us what you do. Share some tips and tricks. And you know the drill. Leave me a comment or a thumbs up or whatever you feel like doing. I really appreciate all of my subscribers who participate and. It's really a blessing to me. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.